there and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on a shopping trip with me to Hobby Lobby. I'm going to show you some of the things that I am purchasing for my own DIYs, and I'll give you some little tips along the way on things that you could use for your own DIYs. So if you want to go shopping with me, stick around. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to take you on a quick trip through Hobby Lobby, kind of showing you some of the fall ideas that they have. They had a ton of different scarecrows. All of them were so cute. And they also had some carvable pumpkins. Now, these carvable pumpkins over here, you could make things with these like a house. You could cut out little windows. You could put little trim around the windows. You could put some wheels on it, create a carriage. There's so many different possibilities for these, or you could just cut out a face. But the price was good on all the things that they have today. Everything was 40% off, and they had a really good selection right now. A really nice selection of candles, a lot of flameless candles, and then a lot of candles that you burn. And a lot of their candles that you burn had beautiful scents. These would be pretty in a basket in the centerpiece, put some greenery in it, add a few pumpkin picks, or you could actually take some of these small fall wreaths, put those into the center of your table, and add some candles to those as well. Now, their candles that burn, they had some pretty containers that you could actually reuse. These red ones were really pretty, and then they had the pumpkins below. And once you burn this up, you could go ahead and take all that wax out, and you can go ahead and put a centerpiece in there. Just add some greenery and some pumpkins. Okay, I'm definitely going to pick up one of these potpourri jars. You could use these as just potpourri, but I'm going to use these for different arrangements that I make. You can put them on dowel sticks, put them in a floral arrangement. You could actually make a wreath with these. There's so many different elements for fall in this that you could use these on a lot of DIYs. Definitely picking up some of these cookie cutters today. They would be great with air dry clay or oven baked clay, and then just paint them. Okay, these molds are great. You can use them for resin. You can put hot glue in there, let it dry, take them out, and just go ahead and paint them. And then you have a lot of embellishments to use on your projects. I'm definitely picking up some of the napkins today. They had a good assortment of those. Those are always great for decoupage. Their tablecloths and their placemats are great if you're looking for some fabric crafts. These would be great to put on wood pieces because they have a lot of nice textures and a lot of nice prints. Okay, I'm going to pick up a couple of these today because these are really cute on a tiered tray. You could add a scene to it, put some greenery in there, put some pumpkin picks, maybe put a little house in there, elevate it all up. So pretty. They have a lot of candlesticks and they have a lot of jars. Now these jars right here, you could actually replicate those by putting a fall leaf on them, painting a mason jar, and then pulling it back off. All the white decor that they have, you could actually put a flower arrangement in these. You could actually paint some of the white pieces. And then they had some really pretty towels that you could actually use on some projects because they have such a pretty pattern on them. And I really like these pumpkins. They had them in the colors and then they had them in clear. You could actually put an arrangement in that, or you could actually put some of that potpourri in there, or you could actually even pour a candle in there. Here's those same little mugs, but in orange. These would be pretty too with a little candle in those. Okay, now this pumpkin right here I thought was so pretty. You could actually replicate this on a smaller version if you took some macrame yarn and just braided it. You could do something very similar with that. I'm definitely picking up some of these ceramics. These are paintable ceramics. These are pretty heavy. After the discount, you're looking at about $2. I'm going to definitely pick up a couple of these for a couple of my DIYs. If you don't buy anything at Hobby Lobby, just go inside and walk around. It does give you some inspiration. I think I could make something similar to these with just some fall leaves. Okay, and then their jars, again, they have some beautiful jars. These were priced right once you got the discount. You could actually take a mason jar, paint it, add an embellishment to it. You could do something very similar to this. These jars right here, they were pretty large. They would end up being about $4 after the discount. I think they would be pretty with just a bundle of wheat in them. These little tinted jars, you could actually get the same effect with some food coloring and some Mod Podge. Definitely picking up some of their embellishments. They have the prettiest ones. You get a lot in a bag. They have the acorns, they have the pumpkins, they have the pine cones. You could use these on so many different projects. But the price is good on these, and I always pick these up every year. I definitely recommend these leaves. I have not seen these leaves here before, but if you see these, I would go ahead and grab you up a couple of these. They have a lot in the bag. They're pretty thick. These would be so pretty on different projects, painted, the leaf colors, and add the veins in them. I'm definitely picking up a couple of bags of these today. These hats are super cute. If you want to make like a scarecrow, I actually used these on some gnomes that I made a few years ago. I would highly recommend picking up some of their garland because you can take it apart and use it on different projects. I'm going to pick up these beads today because they're not just a raw wood color. They actually have a fall tint to them, and they end up being about $3 once the discount is applied. Okay, I haven't seen these here before. These are beautiful little pumpkins. They're little knitted pumpkins, and they come in the white, the orange, and the blue. And you could take these apart and use those on a lot of different projects. You could put them on like dowel sticks and elevate them in your arrangements. Definitely going to pick up a couple of these today. These boxes of fall items in them, the little pumpkins, the little acorns, and the leaves, these are definitely a good buy because you could take these all apart. But these are so neutral. I love the neutral look in these. Let me know what you think in the comments. And they also have these in the greens. I think those are pretty as well. Now their signs, I like to come in here and get some inspiration for these. These have a lot of texture to them. If you have any other wood cutouts, you could actually take some glue from your glue gun and make some patterns on them and paint them. If you decorate outdoor, they had a good selection of outdoor decor. Then they had a lot of big pumpkins and a lot of smaller pumpkins, but everything's 40% off, so this is a good time to get in there and pick up some of these items. Look how cute that scarecrow is. And the corn, I love the corn, and those flowers are so pretty. Okay, I get asked a lot where I get my ribbon. Their mesh and their ribbon, they have some of the best selection of those of anybody. Now, if you're going to get some ribbon, you want to get in there and get it ahead of time because they do end up getting picked over, and a lot of the pretty ones go fast. And then they also have the burlap. Now, they have the burlap in the fall selection, but they also have it over in the fabric near the fabric section. They have the blue, they have the orange, they have a lot of different colors of burlap. And this green, I picked up a couple of the green and the orange. I do get those each year because I do like using those two colors. Now, they're floral picks. If you like to do floral arrangements or wreaths or anything like that, you can actually take some of this stuff apart. But they had a big selection of picks this year. And the fall leaves that they have are so realistic looking. I love the color of all these. Now these little pumpkins that they have bagged up, this is a good idea to pick up a couple of these because you could use these in any of your projects. Now I just wish that they made them all in white so you could just have all white and then paint them up how you want to. So Hobby Lobby, if you're listening, we would like to have them in all white as well. And these always go real fast. I'm definitely picking up several of these today. You could put these on a tiered tray, put a fall saying on them. At Christmas time, they're great to put like a mini loaf of bread on there, decorate it up, and give it as a gift. These are a great buy because you get 6 in a package and they say different sayings. They say thankful and blessed. They look like a leather look. They have a wood look. You can paint them. Definitely great for a lot of projects. Now, I like to look at some of their fall decor and see other ways that I could make these. You could actually make that out of wood. If you have some of the opened signs, you could actually put those together and do something similar to this. And then in the floral department, they have these little mums. These are great for decor pieces, adding little embellishments to your projects. Okay, their leaves, they come in a really big package. These are the leaves that I used last year when I did my metallic wreath. You can just paint these up in so many different colors. And then I'm definitely picking up a pack of these because look how pretty all those are together. You get a lot of leaves on one little pick for these. And these are in the floral department. Thank you so much for shopping with me today. I hope it gave you some inspiration on some things that you can make. If you like these kind of videos, be sure and give me a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when I have a new video upload. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And if nobody's told you today, you are awesome.